मित्रों के लिए बनाया गया।
The later part will not go on record. Honorable members, yes. Honorable members, I am privileged and honored to be Chancellor of Delhi University. The honorable member has made some reflections. They are far distanced from reality. As Chancellor of Delhi University, one second. As Chancellor of Delhi University, I am updating myself every fortnight. And this university is rising in excellence. Therefore, the observations of the honorable member, perhaps you need to check up. If you check up, we'll tell. Secondly, नहीं. सुनो. Sanjay, you are not an issue now. Jairam is trying to ridicule, make it a farcical situation for chairman's well-meaning observation that in this house we must use information which a member must be prepared to authenticate. Now it is his mindset, in spite of his long career and ministerial background, that a member should be so engaging. I can only say I have no words to reflect on this. I can only appeal to senior members of the House that there is need for him to think within. Honorable members, I need to put on record one thing which is relevant. In this country, governed by rule of law, the arrest may be by an agency, by the police, but sending someone to jail is not a police job. One second. It is not the job of an agency also. A court, lawfully acting, sends a person to jail. So anyone, one second, listen to me, anyone in this country holding whatever position of a minister or a chief minister otherwise, if he is in jail, it is in compliance of a remand order given by a judicial magistrate. And therefore, the assertion by the honorable member that executive is sending people to jail is not only factually wrong, legally also not sustainable. And
बोला सर मुझे सर
संजय जी
भारत की सर
आपको बोलने दूंगा, एक सेकंड. आप तो अनुभवी हैं. आप जब गए जेल तो शुरू के अंदर तो एजेंसी का रोल था, उसके बाद जुडिशियल मजिस्ट्रेट के रिमांड से बने. कानून इतना स्पष्ट है. We have one of the best legal minds in the country. He knows that you cannot go to jail without it being sanctified by a judicial officer.
आप उनसे भी पूछ लीजिए, वो भी अपनी बात रखें.
इनसे पूछूंगा नहीं, इनसे ज्ञान लेता हूं मैं.
ठीक है सर.
On this count, outside Mr. Kapil Sibal may have several hats of a journalist, of a senior advocate, of a political vakta. He can do it. Here in the house, he will have to confine to the absolute legality. We can give quite a tweet.
बिल्कुल. बस सर मैं सर ये कहना चाह रहा हूँ, आपकी बातें 100% अपनी जगह जायज है, लेकिन अरे भाई सुन तो लो.
सुनो सर.
लेकिन भारतीय न्यायपालिका के इतिहास में पहली बार हुआ सर कि ईडी कोर्ट से दिल्ली के मुख्यमंत्री को जमानत मिल गई. जमानत की कॉपी के बगैर इनकी एजेंसी जाके हाई कोर्ट से उनकी रिहाई पर रोक लगवाती है. ईडी जाके, ईडी किसके अधीन काम करती है सर? ईडी नरेंद्र मोदी के अधीन काम करती है। ईडी प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी के अधीन काम करती है सर। तो मैं सिर्फ आपसे ये कहना चाहता हूं,
फॉर द बेनिफिट ऑफ द पीपल, एक समझ गया मैं, एक सेकंड, फॉर द बेनिफिट ऑफ पीपल एट लार्ज एंड द कंट्री एज वेल, anyone has a right to go to a court of law, but ultimately final decision is of the court. There are occasions when court grants bail, there are occasions it does not grant bail. So don't accuse. The two parties are there, either party can go to the court for relief, but ultimately it is judicial verdict. Sri Kapil Sibal